Alright, so we're going through another practice activity for Lesson 8 Sprites with code.org. Again, so this one is debug sprite order. So when we run this, looks like we have the cactus over top of a snail, and then another grass over top of probably a ladybug there. Looks like that might be the case. So it says something was wrong with the scene below. Some sprites are behind other sprites when they should be in front of them. Can you fix it? So if you notice, here's the way it should be. Yep, maybe that's the snail. No, that's the ladybug, and that's the snail. Sorry. So here you go. You got the cactus, and then you got the two grasses, and we want to make sure that the snail and the ladybug are in front of those. So when we look through coding in these, programs are very sequential. They deal in sequences. So we're going to do this first, and then this, and then this, and then this. And when we draw them, they'll go down on the screen in that order as well. So we're going to have the snail be printed on the screen, and then the ladybug, and then the cactus, and then the grass, and then the other grass. So what's happening is these are being placed on the screen first, and then the grasses are next. So what we want to do is actually have the cactus displayed first before the snail, and then the grass is displayed before the ladybug. So this order does not matter for us down here. What matters is what's being placed, and they place them in this order. So let's go ahead and put the cactus right here. We'll have that go first. And if we try that, let's go ahead and try that real quick, and that fixes that. So now what we want to do is have the grasses be in front of the ladybug, and we could just move this after these. And if we run that, there we go, they're in front of the grasses. So these don't matter in the order, we can just leave them. It's just basically pulling the animation that we have over here and assigning it to that variable. But this does. So as the order of these that are being placed on the screen, we want to be careful of that in case we don't cover up an animation that we don't want. All right, hopefully that helps. Good luck.